After they graduate, students are able to get multiple types of jobs in the imaging field. We prepare them for that. The radiography program, of course, they can be an X-ray technologist, but we also offer advanced imaging options in our bachelor level programs, which is jobs in sonography, with OB sonography, vascular sonography, which is new this year, and also abdominal sonography. And then the CT/MR curriculum also allows them to have jobs in the CT or MR fields. We really prepare them for their ARRT examinations, their national registry. We have 100% pass rate from the last cohort. The recent graduates were 100% passage rate, which is a really great goal that we set and achieved.
MSU is preparing me for life after college by giving me hands-on experience. We do this through clinical hours and lab hours. We get tons of scanning time, and we get the use of phantoms for our scanning time. So we get to practice on phantoms instead of on patients at first, which helps build our confidence.
So students are going to be using state-of-the-art, brand new machines typically when they get out in their ultrasound careers. And it just so happens that this year our program received funding to purchase brand new GE Logic ultrasound machines. We're using those in our lab, so this will simulate exactly what the students will typically be working on when they gain employment.
Then our students also are placed in clinical sites where they get hands-on training there as well from their clinical instructors and the staff that works at the hospital. Sometimes they love their clinical site so much that they want to go work there, so they are trained at their clinical site as a student for their job if they know that that's where they want to work.
My experience working with my professors has been great. Whenever I'm at clinical and I'm currently working in the radiography department at a hospital, I feel I am very prepared.
We also increased our radiography admissions rate by 30%, which is a really great thing that we set, like a goal that we set and achieved. That means that we took the largest class in radiography that we've ever taken, and that's really exciting for us because we're really trying to promote more into the field. You know, our region is really in need of these healthcare professionals, and we're really trying to get them there.